Adobe Premiere Pro CC. This video editor from Adobe is probably the most favorite video editor for Windows 10 users. This video editor can handle an uncapped number of video tracks, which can be imported from most any source such as files, tapes, cameras, or voice standards, and even VR. This paid video editor also has a 7-day free trials for its new users. As for this writing, this Adobe Premiere Pro CC can be used on iOS, macOS, and Windows. Final Cut Pro X. This paid video editor is probably the best video editor for Mac users. This video editor is easy to use and packs with enough features that paid off its high price tag. The features on this video editing software is grouped according to its use, such as tools, effect options, and the straightforward way you can add and edit audio. KineMaster. This video editing software is probably the best video editing for Android. KineMaster is the perfect video editor, especially when you edit your videos on your smartphone and tablet. This video editing software is available for Android devices, iPhones, and iPads, but it goes way above and beyond what you had expect from a mobile app when you use it on Android. This free video editing software and app can edit multiple layers of videos, add handwriting, and text annotations on your video, and you can also experiment with up to 4 audio tracks and precisely edit at the frame and subframe level. Cyberlink Power Director 17 Ultra. This video editor software is packed with professional and high-quality features, but with affordable budget. This video editing software is complete with such a high-tech features like multicam editing, 360-degree video, motion tracking, and many more. This paid editing software also comes with 30 days trial for its first users. Pinnacle Studio 22. This paid video editing software comes with 30 days trial for its first user. This Pinnacle Studio 22 is also packed with some features such as multi-camera capture and editing, color controls, stop-motion animation. This video editing software is perfect for beginner. With around $60 or €60, Pinnacle will give you more than 1,500 effects, titles, and templates, 6-track HD video editing, handy coloring tools, a dedicated stop-motion feature, time remapping, and many more. Works. You can input videos clip from most formats and then directly upload your produced video on your YouTube or Vimeo. Multicam editing, or project sharing for groups. Works also take part in editing process of some Hollywood movies, including Shutter Island, Pulp Fiction, 28 Days Later, The Wolf of Wall Street, and Mission Impossible. This video editing is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. It also has a free license version where the output can only export a web-compatible file at 720 pixels. However, if you want some different output format, you can buy a 1.1 license for $24.99 or about €14.99.